Okay, let's jump into XRP. Right now, 50 cents. This is a very good position. Realistically, the risk on this is very, very low. To tell you the truth, I would feel very good to tell everybody to allocate a lot of the funds into XRP, right? The community is extremely strong. There is a lot of good news if Trump is elected, Gary Gensler fired, etc., whatever. But the case with Brad Garlinghouse, a lot of the stuff that's going on with XRP, come on, guys. Especially those veterans that have been in XRP, like myself in the 2020 at 17, 19 cents, right? An SEC lawsuit dropped this thing all the way down to 19, 17 cents, and people were scared that this was going to go to zero. Never did. The community is way too powerful, way too strong. The big banks, the institutions, do they conspiracy fear XRP? Is this going to be the renowned token, right? Are we going to be doing the cross-border payments? Is everybody going to utilize this? This is a very strong, there's some strong data for this, right? And can the market go to trillions of dollars? Hey guys, I was one of those people that used to dig deep in the rabbit hole and do so much research on XRP. What I can tell you, this is what I can tell you confidently for all the XRP holders out there. This is one of the safest bets, not putting it down as a stable coin, because during a medium bull market, whatever, if it doesn't launch, it stays in its same spot. You're not going to lose out, right? And when XRP does dip below 45 cents, and if there's some catastrophic news and we somehow see XRP go to 38 cents, it always rebounds like fairly quickly back to the 45, 50 cent mark, and then it usually does some kind of a mini bull to the 60 cent. This is what it's been doing for the past year. I really can't see you losing, even buying thousands of dollars at 50 cents. I really can't see it. I think, like, for instance, if you were going to go, hey, I'm going to go gamble and go to Vegas, I'm going to shoot my shot. I think, oddly, you have better odds with XRP, right? Because worst case scenario, let's say you set X amount of dollars in here, it never goes up in the next year. It stabilizes, as the joke goes, as a stable coin. We turn back, it's still at 50 cents, right? You didn't gain or lose anything. But this is why I would be firm on XRP if it did pump, right? There's two all-time highs, two bull market tests that it can do, right? We have the 2021 bull blow off top where it went to $1.50, $1.80. You have the 2018 blow off top where it went to $3 in 50 cents. I put up a chart in the last video. Okay, you have two good case scenarios for this to run. The third case scenario, all the XRP community holders that were selling, mom selling, dad selling, their neighbors selling, their friends and family, that this thing was going to $100, this thing was going to $15, this thing was going to X amount, this is going to be the new trading currency, right? Cross-border payments. If it did, even if it was favored at 5%, 8%, even if it did go, right? And you got in at 50 cents. You guys tell me, right? I personally have been trading for a very long time now, guys. Those of you who follow me, I've been pretty darn accurate. If it did go to 15, 20, 25, 50 bucks, and you put an X amount of dollars in at 50 cents, what would you guys do? You guys would be very happy. This would be one in a lifetime scenario, right? This would be something that would drastically change your life. And if, Joe, you were wrong, hey, I'm not wrong. There's millions of people that truly believe in XRP, right? And if we were all wrong, let's do the data. Let's backtrack and look at charts of XRP. It's stabilizing as a stable coin at 50 cents. Meaning, the joke's on us. We lost. We lost out, but we didn't lose, right? Because it never went to zero like some shit coins, right? A lot of shit coins go to zero. A lot of them, you see them pump so high and then they come back down. It's holding at 50 50 cents, right? Catastrophic news really doesn't even bring XRP down. We delisted this thing from one of the biggest players, exchanges, right? That was Coinbase in 2020. A lot of people didn't know a lot about crypto back in 2020 mainstream. Coinbase was the number one place to trade it for the popular. You guys know what I'm talking about, for the mainstream people, because a lot of people don't know how to go to BitTrue. A lot of people don't know how to go to Uniswap and all these exchanges to trade tokens. So when this was delisted, 17 cents was the lowest it went when this was at threat of taking out the whole entire crypto community. Something tells me there is a case for XRP. There is a reason why there's a lot of fanatics. The community so darn strong with Ripple, because there's something sneaky about XRP, guys. I'm going to let you know there is something sneaky about it, because I threw in so much money. And even when I was like, oh, I think I got lucky, I didn't get lucky. There's case scenarios, right? The SEC, Gary Gensler, they try to knock this thing. It didn't do really nothing. In the middle of the lawsuit, this thing runs to $1.80. This is... If you were going to jump into the crypto community at the moment, I personally think you can't really lose too much at 50 cents. As I stated, I've seen it go as low as 35 cents in the past couple of years, no lower, rebounds up to 50, goes up to 60, 55, etc. And people that are Bitcoin maximalists, they make fun of XRP holders as a stable coin. It comes back to 50 cents, guys. Just don't sell. This ain't going to zero, right? You prove them wrong, and XRP flies and tests all-time highs of 2020, and we hit that $1.50, $1.80. That's a good little 3x. You prove them even more wrong. Hype comes, Trump wins election, Gary Gensler is gone, it goes to $3. Guys, now we're looking at 6, 7x. We go to $5, $10. Okay, now we're looking at 20x right now. And that's when everybody and their mom will be talking about XRP going to 20, 30, 40, 50. But 20x, guys, from here, if it did go to $10, this is one shot in a lifetime, right, to get into something where you kind of already know XRP is not going to go to zero, right? It gets made fun of so much by all the crypto enthusiasts out there, all the people that are making these videos right now on their coins, all the crypto. I don't even want to hear it, right? I don't even want to name the guys either. They're just not as for XRP. But if it does, it's going to shoot up. It's going to make a lot of money. If it doesn't, you're not going to lose a lot of money like millions of people that have lost a lot of money in the crypto market. Millions of people have got screwed. Gala. Millions of people have got screwed buying Doge at the top. Millions of people got screwed buying a lot of these projects at the very, very top. This is it for XRP. You're not really ever going to see it bounce below these numbers, guys. So you guys do your own due diligence. You guys do your math. If I was going to allocate X amount of dollars, and if I was going to look at like something that was going to be, I want to look back in 3-5 years from now, it would be XRP. Because I know XRP sustained 2 bull markets. Well, I'm new in the crypto community, 2018, but there's people that have been around since the 15 era, right? The 14 era, the beginning. XRP's been around for a very long time, guys. And it's still, what is it, top 3, top 4 right now? So you tell me, will it flip? Will it flip Bitcoin? Will it flip the market cap? I don't know. Time will tell. This is a very safe bet. I would start to get in, guys. There's going to be a lot of things. Let's see what happens. So you have my opinion. You have other people's opinion as well on this XRP. You guys make your due diligence, your educated decision, but I don't think XRP is going anywhere. I don't think it'll ever go away. I don't think you're ever going to get a chance to get in at 35 cents. And if it did, it dips for 2-3 weeks in like a war zone. We got a war going on, right? We got catastrophic news, dips to 35 cents, it stays there for a month and bounces back to 50, and then does like a mini bull market at 60 cents. You really can't really lose, guys. You have a lot to gain from XRP because it does have that $1.50. It does have that $3.50 two tests. It has the 2 tests of the previous bull markets, and probably even a new one, $5, $6, $7, $10. That's my play on XRP, guys. You guys really want to make money? I think you stack XRP with Quant. Call me crazy. XRP stacked with Quant, you're looking at retirement in 5 to 10 years. You're looking at retirement money in 5 to 10 years. You allocate some of your funds in Quant, XRP, somebody's going to be retiring. I'll probably get 1 million views in the future, in a few years, if that ever did. Quant XRP, guys. I've already made the videos on Quant probably being the number one just because of the market cap sitting at like $50, $58. That could go to 3,000 with a realistic chart analysis behind it, market cap, right? Not in the trillions, because we need XRP theoretically to get in $1 trillion market cap for it to make these kind of moves, right? You do not need trillions of dollars for Quant to move to 3,000. I mean, it's actually it's favorable. It actually is more favorable, logical to happen in stock, like a stock and things like that. It's not like we're wishing for a Hail Mary with XRP going to $10, $20, $100. You see these $1,000, right? Price targets for XRP. It is there is a logistics between Quant going to in the $1,000 range, and it's sitting at $58. You allocate some of your money in Quant, you allocate some of your money in XRP, boom, we got our next millionaires. I'm going to leave the video at that. Quant XRP, go get it.